refrigerator.
We had the icebox. It wasn't a refrigerator, it's called an icebox. You had to put ice in it. You go to the ice house, get a hunk of ice, then you put the ice in there, and that's what kept it cold. You want some ice to put in the glass, you take the ice pick and chop up some little pieces of ice and put it in the glass. And then cold water, or we didn't have cold water in the box.
Didn't a hunk of ice melt at some point?
It didn't melt that fast, though. It melted. Water drained out. Had a pipe, it drained out into the pipe outside.
Okay. And then when that got low, you had to
go get another hunk of ice. If I saw a hunk of ice, be about big as the toaster at the microwave.
So how you carry it, though?
You got a hook. You got a hook you pick it up with. I call it an ice hook. Pick it up and carry it and set it in the refrigerator. Some gets that size and a little bigger. Got different sizes.
So that's why they call it the ice box.
Mm-hmm.
You just put the ice
box. People used to take the food and jars and stuff, dig a hole and put it down in the ground, bury it in the ground.
The food?
Yeah.
Why you bury the food? The food that you gonna eat?
Yeah. It'd be in a jar. It'd be jarred up.
So you
put the whole jar down in the refrigerator. Keep them spoiled. Now you got some jars of green beans or green. You want to save them for the next day or next 2 or 3 days. You keep them over day. You dig a hole, put the whole jar down in the ground, cover it up.
You buried the food.
Yeah.
And then when you wanted it, you came back down.
Dig down there, take the jar, take it and wash it off. Go and dump it in the pot, heat it up again.
That was to keep it cool?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's why you buried the food in the ground?
Yeah.
I never heard nothing like that. Buried the food. Oh my goodness.
Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like us and subscribe.